What's happening, everybody? It's Justin with Guaranteed Country, and we're following the leader, Trap, and we're going out pursuing mushrooms. Think we're gonna find some, bud?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what happens. You having fun, bud?
Uh-huh.
Let's find some mushrooms.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't see it.
What? Keep looking for it. Nope. Right there in front of you. See it? Right there.
Oh, I see it.
Good job.
This one is actually not. We don't have to twist this.
You didn't have to twist it?
Mm-mm.
Good job, bud. You excited? All right, guys. So we have switched properties. Other one had a lot of rain and it was flooded pretty good. So we have the whole clan out: Whitney, Levi, my mom, and Trap. And this is their first hunt of the year. Trapper and I have been out quite a few times, as you've seen in previous videos. But we were walking along, and my sister said, "Hey, I found one, and it's out here in the middle of the path." And what do you know? She actually found a mushroom out in the middle of the path.
First one of the day.
First one of the day. Good job. Go ahead and pick it.
You want to pick it with me?
Yeah, I can do it.
All right, go ahead. Get it at the base. Oh, we got it.
Good job. We got Levi with his first mushroom ever.
Yes, sir.
And it's right next to one of my deer stands. All right, do the honors. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Good eating size. Great job. All right, the quest for mushrooms continues. Whitney's on the board with another dandy. Good size yellow. So far we're just finding singles today. We're not finding a lot of multiple mushrooms. But that's a good one. Pinch it off at the bottom and awesome. Let me see it. That's a good one.
There you go.
Awesome. Finally on the board with one of my own. Got a good one. There it is. What a good day to be outside. Mom's
Beautiful.
on the board.
I'm on the board.
Can you reach it?
Right here.
Let's zoom in on it. Point at it again.
Right there.
Yep, there it is.
It's itty bitty, but I'm on the board with one.
Yep. All right.
Alrighty.
Everywhere you look, they just keep sticking out. Another big yellow. All right, found a good one tucked up in here on the side of the bank. This big old fella. Big stem. It's a good one. Would have been better if it wouldn't have fallen over. Look at that, you're pinching it off. Hold that one up. That one's huge. Cool, grab the other one. What did we find, bud?
Some 4 mushrooms.
4 mushrooms?
Yep.
Are you gonna pick them?
Yep.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Hold on, yep, pinch them off at the bottom, just like we normally do. Yeah.
Good, Dad.
Okay. Oh man, good one.
This is a bird. That's it.
Okay.
Yep, these are dry.
Yep, they're still moist.
decide to come up and then look what happens.
All right, man. 4 good mushrooms. Good job. So as we were walking along, ended up finding this mule tail peckerhead. So kind of a cousin to a morel. You can eat them, but it's all stem. Not my favorite. So I just picked one to show you guys. Otherwise, I just usually leave them alone. This one might take honors as the biggest, prettiest mushroom of the day. Awesome one, and actually I found one before that. So we're gonna give a good look and see what else we can find. What a day we just had. So here is the fruits of our labor, and there are 90 on the dot morel mushrooms. That probably don't include the 20 to 25 that we found that were too dried out that we left. We got all different shapes, sizes, and colors. There's a couple really big ones that we found. But the one consistent thing is they're all going to taste delicious. We're set up outside, and we are ready to go. Got the Camp Shep stove out, and we're going to start frying up batch after batch of mushrooms. This is the good part. We are 1 batch done being fried. Got the next one frying up. And the best part about using the Camp Chef stove, no mess when you're all said and done.